Hello guys, welcome back to another video in Advanced Python tutorials. If you had already learned Python, then this video series is for you guys. In this video series, we had already discussed about basics of tkinter, which is used to create graphical user interface applications in Python. In this video, I am going to show how to convert our speech into text using Python. So guys, before starting our video, please bookmark this playlist by clicking on the star button present at the top right corner of your browser. Okay guys, without wasting time, I am opening my Visual Studio Code. Before starting this program, we must install some required modules. First of all, I am installing Speech Recognizer module. For that, I am using pip here. Type this command in your console. Pip install speech recognition. You must install this module before starting. This R must be in caps, guys. Don't forget that. Okay, it's showing that requirement already satisfied because I had already installed my speech recognition module. After this, you also must install another module named as PyAudio. For that, I am using command pip install PyAudio. I had already installed PyAudio module, so it's showing me requirements already satisfied. Some of you may get some errors as unable to install PyAudio. For those guys, I am showing another way. Open your browser and search unofficial Python binaries. Enter into this first website. Press Ctrl F. Here search PyAudio. Go down. According to your version, you can download here PyAudio. I am using Python 3.8 and 64-bit, so I am downloading this one. Once you are downloaded, then open downloads. In order to install this PyAudio file, just click shift and right click. Here you can find an option as open PowerShell window. Here click on that. Here just type pip install and then just type tab until the name of that PyAudio file comes here. So this is our file and just hit enter. I have already installed this, so it is showing me as requirements already satisfied. Okay guys, now we had installed all our required modules. Now I am again opening my Visual Studio Code and let's start coding. First of all, we must import our speech recognition module. Import speech recognition as SR. Because a name is too lengthy, we can type each and every time as speech recognition. So I am aliasing speech recognition as SR using as keyword in Python. And then I am creating a function as take command, which will take command from user. In this take command function, I am creating a variable as R which inherits the properties of recognizer class present in speech recognition module. So R is equal to SR dot speech recognizer. Sorry guys, SR dot recognizer. This R will inherits the properties of recognizer class. Now I am using with keyword here. With SR dot microphone as source, audio is equal to R dot listen to source. So guys, basically what we are doing here means With SR.microphone as source, I am using a microphone or laptop or computer's microphone as a source, and then I am declaring a variable named audio which will listen to the source. That's all, guys. If this listens successfully, then just try. I am creating a variable named as speech or dot recognize Google audio. In this line, I am just telling my program to recognize audio from here. Before doing all these things, for intimation, just I am giving two print statements here. Print I am listening, and before recognizing I am giving a print statement. Print I am recognizing. That's all, guys. Now once this recognizes, I am just printing my speech. I am giving your speech is speech. Actually, I am using f string in Python here. If any error occurs, except just tell me print I am unable to recognize. That's all, guys. Let's see once again. First of all, I am importing speech recognition module, and I am creating a function named as take command. Here I am declaring a variable or which will inherit the properties of recognizer class present in speech recognition module. And then microphone as source, I am listening to the audio. If there is internet connection, means because this recognition needs internet connection. If your system or laptop is not connected with internet, then it will throw some errors. So we are using try and except here. If it successfully recognizes, then it will print your speeches, and whatever we told it will print here. Okay, guys, now I am calling this function, and let's check this. Let's check this, guys. Hello, welcome to Programming with Arshad. Yeah, guys, you can see here your speech is hello, welcome to Programming with Arshad. This works perfect. So finally, this is our code, guys. This code will be available in description. Thank you for watching, guys. For more programs like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Programming with Arshad. Thank you, guys.